Hey guys, this is Deepika. So, Winston Churchill has this quote that success is going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. But we all know when we go through tough times, it's kind of hard to remember that quote. So, this is for all my Bay Area geeks. We all know that neuroscience is what's inspiring artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is about feeding a lot of data and then identifying patterns to get to a certain output. Now, if we use what neuroscience has done for artificial intelligence to actually help us, we would be feeding our mind with a lot of good data and then identifying patterns to actually stay enthusiastic and get to our place of success. So stay positive, stay focused, and get that brain into action. Thank you.